Hi!
Hi!
Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be reviewing FabFitFun and Boxycharm. Yes!
So let's start with our favorite.
Of course.
I think we're biased.
Boxycharm. I know I am.
Boxy. Ooh.
What is that?
Pretty. Okay.
Ooh.
So this month's box is
Vacation.
Mm-hmm.
Who needs a vacation? I know I do.
I need a lot of vacation. Bae, stay, go away.
Yes.
All right. This is so pretty. First thing that caught my eye.
Yeah.
This is a blush. Make Them Blush, it's called.
Cool.
Who's this by?
Well, who made it? Let's see.
Pretty Vulgar.
Pretty Vulgar. Yeah.
Okay. This is a very pink blush.
That is for sure. But I love the case.
Do you think you can rock this?
Why not?
Yeah, this is super. Oh, and that is crazy pigmented. Look at that.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Do you know that this item actually retails for $26? This right here. But I like the fact that they made a really ornate type of case.
This is pretty. It is plastic. It's not glass, but it's still very pretty. Cute. Alrighty. Let's see what else we have in here. What are you having first?
Top one for me is Bella Pure Cosmetics Voluminizing Mascara.
Did we have Bella Pure in the last box?
We did.
Okay.
There was a body shimmer for you.
Okay. Yeah. That tiny little one.
Yeah.
Oh, I needed some more mascara.
I don't know. You know, I've been really partial to that Titus mascara.
I was just gonna say I am a little biased. I'm a drugstore mascara lover. I love me some Lash Blast.
Yeah, I've used that one too.
So I'll have to see how this goes.
Yeah, cool.
Did you know you're supposed to change your mascara every 3 months?
I thought it was every 6 months. One of them things, but who actually does that?
Who knows? Comment below. You should though.
You should.
It causes bacteria.
Well, I mean, actually, who really does change your mascara? Well, the thing is, all your makeup you're supposed to be changing every 3 to 6 months. So.
I didn't know that when I first started wearing makeup, and I was like, last thing I need is a sty in my eye.
Yeah, that's true.
Ooh.
What's that?
South Maine. These are eye gels. Okay, to help with puffiness, dark circles, and moisturize your eye area.
Oh, that is cool.
Yay.
We haven't given a part like this in a little while. But that is neat. All right.
They are under eye gel patches.
Cool.
I actually used to use every time I give myself like a little mini facial.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
These actually retail for $10. And the Bella Pure mascara, $20.
What's next?
All right. There's one at the bottom of mine that I really want to pull out.
So are we skipping the small thing
We
and
are.
going straight to the big items?
Yes.
Let's see.
What is this?
It's all well packaged and stuff.
Ooh, Boxycharm Pure. Ooh, looks like Boxycharm has collaborated with Pure again to give us a, let's see, a well-sealed package.
I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. Oh, it is tape shut.
Yeah. I'm like, why isn't that opening?
You're making sure. I can't even get mine open.
I think.
Well, I know it's
Come on.
culture-free, gluten-free,
Come on.
vegan friendly eyeshadow.
Check that out.
Okay, of course it's taped on both sides, people.
That is so hot.
Ooh,
Look at that.
I love these colors for the spring.
Spring, yes.
Look at that
Blue.
and the purple, and my favorite golds are always in there.
I love it, love it, love it. And of course I give you a mirror, which I appreciate, of course. Sweet.
Love it.
So this Pure item retails for $36. It's called Pure the Complex Authority. I'm sorry, the Complexion Authority.
Okay.
Cool.
We were just talking about this the other day. I love when they name their shadows. So like when you're actually putting them on and you're doing a tutorial or whatever, you can actually tell people which colors you put on, not just brown. This is Duet. The brown is Duet. The blue is Mia.
This pink color right here is Bay. Love it.
Cute. Okay. Next item in our box. Brushes.
Did we actually get the exact same box?
We did, so I don't have to be jealous. If you saw our Instagram live, you saw that last month I didn't get all the same things as her.
No, but this is cool. I think we got a brush set last month too.
Mm-hmm. This is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. Oh, this is funny. So it actually tells you which brushes to go in which order to create the best smoky eye.
Did we not talk about that last month?
Did.
They must have heard. Love it. So this brush set actually goes for $26.
Oh,
if I can get the package open.
Oh, look, they even have step-by-step instructions on the back.
That's
like,
sweet.
Use the shadow brush to sweep a light shimmering color over your lids.
So it's beginner friendly. That's good.
Okay, this is cute. This would be a cute little gift for somebody that's starting out with makeup and may not necessarily know where they should apply, or even somebody that's been wearing makeup for a long time and don't know how to really
apply. You know. Check it out. Oh, they're right on the brushes. Step 1, 2,
oh, that's so
and
cute.
3. That is really cute.
I like these. They're not too soft and they're not too hard either. Perfect.
Oh, that's nice.
This is cute.
I like that.
I might have to gift this. This is super neat.
I don't know about the light colored stem of the brush, only because makeup tends to
It's
smudge.
gonna get so dirty.
Yeah. But I love
Alrighty.
it. So Boxycharm did good, no?
Yeah, this is cute. I like the box. I love the shadows. I love the brush. And I'm into the eye gel. So thanks, Boxycharm.
Thank you.
This is an awesome box yet again.
Don't worry, this is not the end of the video. Part 2 is up next. Click on the link.